8 ways to earn free crypto in 2023. Buying crypto with your fiat currencies is a no-brainer. Freecash.com. Users earn more than $20 per day on average on Freecash. Coinbase.com. At Coinbase, you can learn about some of these crypto projects while earning a few tokens. CoinMarketCap.com. CoinMarketCap has a similar learn and earn program for crypto enthusiasts. CoinHunt World. CoinHunt World helps you to earn small amounts of Bitcoin and Ethereum for free. Crypto PopCoin App. Crypto PopCoin is yet another game to earn free crypto, Ethereum and PopCoin. Brave Rewards. Just use the Brave web browser with Brave Rewards turned on. Notably, you get 70% of your ad revenue. LunrCrush. And Lunr is the crypto token that you can earn for free by engaging on LunrCrush. Presearch. It's a community-powered search engine that uses blockchain technology. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.